Hey, how you doing? We're looking at a 66 Ford Thunderbird right now. It's got 53,000 miles on it. I am getting it running for a customer. It's been sitting for quite a while. We've already started on the engine bay. It's been all overhauled under here. Everything is pretty much new. All the brakes, brake lines, fuel lines, everything on the car has been replaced. The interior on this thing is pretty nice. It's all original. Hard top, obviously. It's got the tilt steering wheel. Pretty sure they all had that. Doors are nice, tight. It's undergoing some body work right now. First start in probably maybe 20 years, I think she said. It's her mother's car. Mother bought it brand new. So we're going to attempt to start her. Here we go. Alright, let's see what she's got. I got a metal bowl here in case any backfire happens. I can throw it on top of the carb there. Let's see. I'm trying to fuel the car. It hasn't any fuel in it yet. Fuel tank's been all cleaned out. See what happens. Might need to connect the coil up. Fires. Okay, this is going to be the first test drive in the 66 Thunderbird since 1993. That's the last time it was inspected. So let's see if she goes. Well, I just got done doing a light detail on the interior here. I just wanted to see how nice it would clean up, and it really came nice. It's super shiny. Door panels came out good. Shined up some of that chrome. Boy, they put a lot of chrome in these things. It's kind of hard to see the difference on the camera here. It was real dirty. And it is nice and shiny now. Love these interiors, how they wrap around. Everything's all, you know, the center console's all wrapped in together. Needs gauges. They light up green. Pretty neat. Pretty neat. It'll be back on the road soon.